Hello, Jane Cleland here. What is the difference between a memoir's plot and its theme? Well, first of all, in nonfiction, we call it a storyline, not a plot. So what's the difference between the storyline and a theme? The theme is the overarching concept. Remember that a memoir, unlike an autobiography, is a themed slice of life, overcoming an obstacle, a passage in life, a divorce, taking care of aging parents, and so on. So once you have your slice of life, what you're going to write about, the story unfolds through a consecutive series of incidents that, taken together, tell that story, the storyline, and manifest the theme. If this tip had value for you, would you subscribe to the channel, like it, share it? That opens up features for us that helps us make these videos even more meaningful for you. Thanks so much.